Complete and total experiment today for all the lawn care professionals out there. I'm going to be running an experiment using a service called Lawn Love. They have no idea I'm doing this, but I thought I'd take you through it. Let me show you what I'm going to be working with. Okay, so really quickly, let me open up the app because there's an app called Lawn Love for providers right here. And when you sign up, you can choose which services you want to sign up for. I signed up for aeration and overseeding and fertilizer and weed control. So basically, you know, when you're in your app, you have days that you know, you can show what you have scheduled for the day, what you've accepted. This is going to be under the My Jobs tab. You can see what's available by going to the available jobs. Again, I'm only signed up for aeration, overseeding, fertilizer, and weed control. So this is one I've requested. It's the only other one available. And then these two I have already accepted. So we have a fertilizer and weed control app at this address. And this is going to pay $48 for 14,000 square feet. Now that doesn't sound great, but they have a reimbursement fee for fertilizer, weed control, and seed. So the labor portion of this pays $48. Then I have a seeding. The seeding portion of this pays $39, and that's for 13,000 square feet. Again, I will be reimbursed for my seed and material cost. So let me go down here to help. And then we will go to reimbursement. So this explains they do, you know, leaf, greenways, contractor bags, salt, weed control, fertilizer, seeding, topsoil, sprinkler heads. Okay. So for pre-emergent weed control, they reimbursed $4.50 per 1,000 square feet. For weed control, they reimbursed $1.82 per 1,000 square feet. Fertilizer, $3 per 1,000 square feet. This is on top of the label. On top of the labor rate. So for this weed control application, I'm going to be reimbursed basically $2 a 1,000, so $28 plus 48, whatever that comes out to, $76 for the weed control portion of it. For the seed portion of it, they calculate it on a 40-pound bag of seed that treats, I'm sorry, that's fertilizer. Please keep any and all receipts. We may ask you for photos of them during the reimbursement process. Remember, you must contact the office before beginning any work using these case-by-case materials. We cannot reimburse for materials which were not pre-approved. So, anyway, I'm going to pick up the material, and then I will call them, put it on speakerphone, and see what we come up with.
Building a fortress, and we thought it was stronger, keeping your distance. I thought we were better. We can try to just hide from the pain by building our castle. We can build them again and again, and we can feel nothing. And I know that you're feeling alone, and we can do better.
At the tone, please record your voice message. When you are finished recording, you may hang up or press pound for more options.
Hey Latoya, this is Matt Martin with Lawn Love. I was just calling to let you know I am en route to your property. I should be there within an hour. If you have any questions, feel free to call me back. My cell phone number is 901. Alright, I made the call to the person I'm going to be doing the work for. I'm going to text them. Hey, this is Matt Martin, with Lawn Love, period. I just wanted to let you know I am en route to your property, period. I should be there within an hour. Alright, now, let's message the office and tell them. I have receipts for the seed I will be using on this property. Period. How do I send it to you? Question mark. Okay, so this is such a bizarre experiment. My big thing about this, and the whole reason why I'm doing this, is that I'm really not happy with how... Okay, so they're allowing the customer or the person needing work done to make the decision on what they need done to their yard. Which is okay, that's fine. However, what's important to note about that is that the majority of the time, guys like us get contacted because they don't know what to do with their yard. And so they rely on a certain level of expertise that comes from the professionals to get the job done, so that way they're satisfied. Now, part of the guarantee that comes with Lawn Love is that, you know, we have to repeat until the customer is satisfied. So I want to know where that boundary is based on the services they recommend. So right now is being recommended to seed, right now, fertilizer, I'm sorry, seed and weeds are to be addressed today. I would not be seeding on April the 12th at any other time unless it was purely experimental and that was brought up on the front end. So I don't know how this is going to work. I don't know who I need to talk to about this. So I don't know. I'm going to get Lawn Love on the phone and see what happens.
Thanks for calling Lawn Love. To receive a quote for your home, please press 1. If you're an existing customer and need assistance, press 2. If you're a lawn pro, press 3. For quality assurance purposes, this call may...
Hello, good morning. Thank you for calling Lawn Love.
Hi, ma'am. My name is Matt Martin. My company is Outdoor Designs, and I'm going to be doing work for a customer here shortly. I will be doing some seed work and weed control work for her. I see the reimbursement fee chart on the app. However, I do not see one for seed. So I wanted to find out, how do I submit a receipt for my seed purchase to use for that customer?
Yeah, you could... Can I call you back? I could hear my voice with the feedback.
Yes, ma'am.
One moment. Okay, bye-bye.
All right, bye-bye. Well, they have to call me back. This is Matt.
Hi, this is Josh from Lawn Love, the one you spoke to earlier.
Uh-huh.
You could send us the receipt through text message in the app, and we could easily reimburse it for you.
Okay, great. Okay, then the other thing too, in terms of what we're actually doing for the customer, the work that we're doing, so it is recommended that, you know, she had requested for seeding to be done. Seeding this time of year is not going to be successful Agronomically, it's just not possible for that to be successful. I'm more than willing to put down the seed for her, but I don't know if it's going to generate the best bang for her buck until I look at the property.
Oh, okay. So you're not at the property yet?
No, I'm not there yet. I'm actually driving there now.
Okay. So once you assess the property, you could easily give us a call if you think that the seeding is called for. You could easily skip the job at the moment, and we could inform the customer that seeding is not yet suggestible in this kind of weather or season.
Okay.
Yeah. But please do send us pictures also for our reference.
Okay, I can do that.
Okay, that's great.
All right.
Thank you very much for calling us. Have a good day.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. All right, so it's kind of interesting how that went there. They said when I get there, assess the situation and contact them and tell them whether or not it's going to be a good idea to seed, and I can skip that portion of the job and contact them and let them know and take pictures. I don't know how pictures are going to explain the agronomic abilities of applying seed right now. It just doesn't make a whole lot of sense. You know, I understand why this app exists, but right now I don't like the direction this is going, because I want to do something that works, but when the customer is dictating the work they need done, they may be coming at it from a point of just a lack of understanding. You know, a lot of people may move here to the transition zone from, we'll say, Minnesota or something. And so where spring seeding may be effective there, it's not going to be effective here, especially this late in the spring, when in exactly 35 days from now, we are going to be full-fledged in the middle of brown patch season. So, I don't know. We'll see how this plays out, but I'm going to drive to this property. We'll assess it together, and we'll call Lawn Love and tell them how we feel about it. So, I'm on my way.
Building a fortress, and we thought it was stronger, keeping your distance. I thought we were better. We can try to just hide from the pain by building our castle. We can build them again and again, and we can feel nothing. And I know that you're feeling alone, and we can do better. So help me to break through the stone. Help me to break through.
Okay, so we've got a nice little section of Bermuda grass here. Some fescue, plenty of weeds, dandelions. Show these bare spots right here. This looks pretty thin. Get that to fill back in with fertilizer. It looks like something has been applied to the POA here. It's probably a really high rate of weed be gone or something. Something was attempted on the moss, it looks like, as well. So something's been sprayed here, just not uniformly. So there we go. Okay, now, having seen it like this, how do I notify them that pre-emergent and weed control would be, and fertilizer would be a better bet than what they have recommended. Let's see what I can have happen
Your
here.
distance, I thought we were better. We can try to just hide from the pain by building our castle. We can build them again and again, and we can feel nothing.
Okay, so this
And I know that you're feeling alone, and we can do better. So help me to break through the stone. Help me to break through.
Pre-emergent and do not put down seed. They've never run into this situation before, probably because they're not dealing with fertilizer and weed control guys. So as you can see here, there's plenty of Bermuda grass in what I would assume is the homeowner's perception of thin areas. So that's that. That is that. That is a wrap. So that's my first experience with lawn mowing.
We can feel nothing, and I know that you're feeling alone, and we can do better. So help me to break through the stone. Help me to break through.
Here is the aeration versus aerate line. Significant difference, and it is pretty much at the line. The line is right here.